red jacket, Mom. Yeah. Did you bring it out? I didn't see it inside. We didn't see it inside. We did take it inside. What's in the bedroom?
We didn't take my black jacket inside, did we?
No. I mean, you're in there. Take it over there. I took your mom's red jacket in. So your red jacket and your pillow.
Yeah. The rest area is closed, remember?
I'm alright.
Exit stop.
Oh Lord, there's the wheel truck.
Sure wish I'd finished training. Got his toes up on the dash.
Oh, it's 34 miles to Birmingham. Got this reversed. I forgot to say this is get it to Birmingham from Atlanta. So far, it's been a smooth ride.
Yeah, truck's moving on pretty good.
Yeah. There's the Georgia state line, ain't it?
No, that's the
Rest area.
Rest area.
Georgia, ain't it? No, it's on up here.
Yeah. It's a mile and a half dead of it.
That's Georgia state line right there.
No, that's rest area.
It on the line.
Rest 3 of them.
Pick it over. Go like that.
Yeah. Uphill.
Going uphill.
It comes back out, he'll speed back up. Here he goes.
We almost in Alabama. We almost in Alabama. Whee! Alabama state line. Yoo-hoo. Beep, 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 beep. Home Alabama. Oh, I'm coming home to you. Here I come. Here I come. Oh, the renovation rest area. I'm going to be able to stop at the Wilson Center at Alabama rest area because it's closed for renovation. Oh, well. That'll the Boner Highway. Big eyes explode. Oh well. It's okay.
I think we could have made it. I think we could have made it.
And there. Oh, they don't want any trucks parking over there, do they?
No being anywhere.
Yay.
No being.
Let's see down Alabama.
Ranburn.
Ranburn.
Yep. Where all the fireworks are.
That up? Closed. This is so.
The truck just missed it back there. Unless they got a clear pass.
Yeah.
Empty parking lot.
Yeah, empty parking lot. Guys, in that parking lot. Well,